Illegal drug dealers, pharmacists, Group Aqua 4A, Brianna Byfield,
Maite Gonzalez,
Stephanie Button.
Tyler Chin.
To become a pharmacist, you need to go to college and then go to pharmacy school, then take the NAPLEX test to be licensed. And the training needed is you need to do a 2-year residency. The biggest employers are pharmacies and drugstores. You can be employed anywhere, and the starting salary is $77,390.
The average 10-year salary for pharmacists is $126,400, though this figure may vary, of course. The best state in the U.S. for pharmacists to reside is Alabama due to job availability. This is convenient as the cost of living in Alabama is lower than the national average, being $42,276, which is lower than the U.S. average annual salary by $7,532. The consumer price index of 223 in Alabama is 4.29% lower than the U.S. city average consumer price index. Thus, consumers generally pay less for various retail goods in Alabama than those residing in other states. The sales tax is 4%. Employment for pharmacists is expected to increase about 3% from 2014 to 2024, according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. Total employment is projected to grow from 293,000 to 302,000 jobs. The turnover rate is the percentage of employees in a workforce that leave during a certain period of time. According to a 2014 study, the turnover rate for pharmacists decreased from 7.1% in 2012 to 5.6% in 2013. This was the lowest turnover rate in a decade. In other words, most pharmacists are satisfied with their jobs.
Pharmacists work in clean, well-lighted, and ventilated areas. Many pharmacists spend most of their workday on their feet. When working with sterile or dangerous pharmaceutical products, pharmacists wear gloves and masks and work with other special protective equipment. Many community and hospital pharmacies are open for extended hours or around the clock, so pharmacists may work nights, weekends, and holidays. Pharmacists distribute drugs prescribed by physicians and other health practitioners and provide information to patients about medications and their use. They advise physicians and other health practitioners on the selection, dosages, interactions, and side effects of medications. Pharmacists also monitor the health and progress of patients in response to drug therapy to ensure the safe and effective use of medication. Professional pharmacy associations keep pharmacists up to date on industry trends and advances while giving them the resources to expand on their skills and services. A few associations pharmacists can join but are not required to are American Pharmacists Association and American Association of Colleges of Pharmacy.
There are multiple unions across the United States that are available for pharmacists to join, but it's not mandatory for them to join. There are also multiple related occupations that are close to pharmacists. The main related occupations are medical scientists, pharmacy technicians, physicians and surgeons, and registered nurses, and all of these require a similar amount of education. According to a census about nurses, it's about 50-50 of male and female workers, which is nice because there's not a job gap or a wage gap between them also. They make about the same money. Two quotes from pharmacists in the industry are: the best thing about retail pharmacy is the people, and the worst thing is the people. Being able to help somebody better manage their disease state, for example, is a great feeling, but being yelled at for not having refills of someone's prescription is not such a great feeling. The second pharmacist said that the best thing about a career in pharmacy is the excellent pay and stability. There's a huge demand for pharmacists, so jobs are plentiful and the pay is high. There's also a day-to-day satisfaction of knowing that you went out of your way to help a patient with their healthcare needs.
Some of the common personality traits we believe pharmacists should acquire are good communication skills, an interest in health and well-being of people, a high level of scientific understanding and ability, a logical approach to problem solving, good math skills, with the ability to calculate and use scientific formulas, accuracy and attention to detail, the ability to organize and prioritize your work, a responsible and security conscious attitude, the ability to train and supervise others, and good business skills.